I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and Science, popularly known as KT Chong College. Student friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about the GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography, semester first, and the class is MA/MSc. Now paper number is 4. Now to discuss with the first topic number first, Introduction to Population and Settlement Geography. Now student, today we are going to learn the topic of definition of settlement geography. Now student will be discussed for first of all the last lecture will be discussed to some approaches to population studies. Now student, now today's lecture will be discussed definition of settlement geography. Means what is the settlement geography? What is meant by settlement geography? What is the settlement? Shelter is one of the most important basic necessity of human being. Even the innate sense is the medium of need sound sleep is the psychological necessity of living being at same place, some place. Man also needs some sort and shelter for safe rest for shelter. He selected tree branches, cave, pits, rock cut hiding places. The shelter place become a most concrete and expansion of human culture activity and assume various form as well as the name houses, dwelling, group of dwellings, houses, widows, habitants, all forms human habitants from especially settlement. With the establishment of any sort of dwelling, the foundation of a civilization is laid which is grow flourish and spread the petal of the blossoming flowers in all direction in various tint, color and temporal spatial variation in the form of habitations. This become the concrete expressions of anthropogeny, genic, later on technogenic adoption of human being. Means although all living organisms build themselves nests, dwelling like bees, bears, ants, and animals only produce what does they immediately need for itself its young. It's produced on sidely which man is produced universally. The universally of houses and their groupings on sidely with least man produce universally. The universally of the human and their grouping in the form of settlement exhibit various size, shape, pattern, and type as well as multi-distributional aspect, all are being the subject matter of systematic study. A stick, a rope, leather cover of the tent for idol, for plant or yurt, pit dug in the surface, a house cut the losses, and cave cut the rocks. And battle broom dwelling the forest eaters, hunter, hut call are the basic humanization here, interaction with environment. The more advanced of civilization, the more complex become interaction. This need for the perfections of the study, the understanding of the concern surrounding environment as a whole. No isolated part of its studies in isolation would suffice to form the subject matter because all over the effects of some of the parts remain always less than overall behavior of a whole. The study of single most settlement with its own niche inhabitant as the subsystem of systems both become essential. The unit of settlement, however, may range from the some dwelling percent towns is header hunt and farm to the tribal homestead up to the poles. Thus, any settlement can be studied is either a world or a regional context, but any settlement, if it is not, it is to be the advocate adopt appreciate must be correlated with the other facts of geography, relief, climate, geology, and social economic conditions. Branches put out the first groups among the essential fact of human geography. Houses, road, fields are most essential fact for human occupations, distance, and distinctive human features of the landscape. Transformation of original inhabitant by settlement is also much so that it's down the very air itself is changed and vitiated in everything's of its artificial character. Human race has gone a long way to technogenetic transformation since the French geographer wrote the sight line above. Hence, the new dimension add to the study of settlement, the relation of to ecosystem dealt with the scale of the following section. We start the assumption that man as is not only a product of the earth's surface, but man relation to nature has emerged not as one of the self-integration, not never a simple dialogue, but is a conference with the other present and in which social man increasingly has right veto. How much relation is the adoption to impose? The latter is explained better through the form of settlement from the anything else. Hence, settlements need explanation along with the study of the ecology and economic geographic aspect of unique noosphere. Now, this is the what is the settlement? Now, settlement means is the study of human land, water, resources use, population density pattern, settlement growth. Means this is the settlement geography. Settlement geography studies, what is the study first one? The human land, water, and resources use, population density pattern and settlement growth. This is the study in settlement geography. First of all, it is very essential to urban planning and urban landscape. Means those group of people living together from a settlements. Means this is the very important definition. Group of people living together from a settlements means some number of people living together. It is a form of settlements. Next one, this is the settlement geography study. This is the village, town, etc. and also the types of relation they generate. These are the first of all the settlement geography. A settlement geography is a place inhabited more and less permanent by the human groups. Means this is what are the settlement? What are the settlement? First, very simple definition will be discussed. The settlements are places where people live and work. What is the settlement? Settlement means are the people. So many people will live together and work. It is a very simple definition. Settlement means settlements are place. Which is a place? Place which is where people live and work. Those called as a settlement. Now, some definition, matter and scope of settlement geography means some of definition. It is very way to understanding the man in the matrix, human and physical relationship with the interrelationship. What is the now the stone? It has the description and analysis of distribution building by which people attach themselves to the land for purpose of primary production. Means this is the stone definition for first of all the is description and analysis of distributions by buildings. It is the description and analysis of distribution of building by which people attach themselves to the land for purpose of primary productions. Now this is the definition of settlement geography. Now Jordan against another word definition. Study of the form is cultural landscape. Means study of the form of cultural landscape involve the orderly description of attempt explanations. Means those are cultural landscapes. The study, this form of the study is cultural landscape study in the settlement geography according to the Jordan. Now according to the Chatterjee means settlement geography means the settlement geography deal with the size. First of all, the settlement geography deal with the size, form and function of settlement built up by man trace with the historic growth. Means the different growth, historic growth of settlement, then deal with size, form and function. These are the features will be included in the settlement geography. This is the definition of according to the Chatterjee. Now Aristophanes, another one more scientist, is define the settlement geography. Settlement geography as the natural manner in which man establish himself on the earth surface. This settlement is natural manner. Is very important word. Is natural manner is in which man establish himself on the earth surface. Very important with the earth surface. Then the means settlement geography. means man and environmentalist, for example, tundra region, then hot regions, then desert regions, different regions, then grassland regions, means the natural manner is very important which is in establish himself to the earth surface. Now last one, and the rural settlement geography is concerned. Rural settlement geography is concerned with the orderly description and interpretations of process, patterning of functioning, and special organization of human occupants within a rural environment over the surface of the earth surface. Means this is a very important definition. Rural settlement geography is a concern with the orderly description, interpretations of process, patterning, functions, and special organization of human occupants with the rural environment over the earth surface. Now, next one, the some definitions. Is completely investigate the distribution, but more not even more than structure, process, interaction by the settlement and its environment, such as the soil, geomorphology, economy, and social activities, which is to produce them. Means is the definition of settlement geography. Now, settlement geography describes an explanation of settlement, location, substance, and form, structure, as well as the function, process that is the produced by the over of time. Then this is the definition of the some settlement geography. Means during the adoption of environment, man come to the close contact the various environmental features, and the reaction adoption brought up the both changes of physical landscapes. The changes are identified the cultural landscapes, present man relation to man and upon earth. The authors agree to American philosopher, who is the philosopher over the geography, that the more than inventory of man and things, geography is an heart of concern, is deep man has relation with the man upon earth, as though earth were his home. In geographer works in the way understanding the matrix of human and physical relationship and interrelationships. These interrelationships are best expressed through the settlement, which are concrete expressions of human occupants of the earth's surface. If human geography, which the interrelationship may be defined as the study who gets what, where, and how. The settlement geography is concerned with the who built inhabitant settlement, where and who, how. In the present context, home is man and part of terrestrial space, along with the way he has historically emerged and the process through which he has observed the diverse wave and races, culture and technologies. Build simply means the act of construction by putting parts of the materials together, as well as the style of construction related to the house building, other facility touch inhabitant. Point out toward the occupants of such houses. Settlement means the settlement unit represent an organized colony of human beings together with the buildings in which they live or they have otherwise use, and the path and street over which they travel, where it focus immediate attention of the most sensible subdivision of territory for the purpose of investigations. How require the identification and understanding of the structure, process, and the causal mechanism at work leading to the particular pattern of who built inhabitant settlement, where the discipline cover the entire hierarchy from rural to urban settlement, from nomadic to the secondary. It is concerned not only with the building groups around the permanent from the dwelling, but also the temporary camp of the hunter and herder, or with the settlement cluster or agglomeration running the scale from the hamlet to village, town to city and metropolitans. The geographical study of the rural settlement inhabitants began to return its work is entirely 19th century. It is also since the turn of the present century of settlement geography have been preoccupied with the study of rural settlements belong the two groups, namely is the concern with the Swedish geography inhabitant that describe the process of settlement, its geographical manifestation during the 60s stone suggested geography of rural settlement may be defined as the description and analysis of the distribution of buildings which people attach themselves to the land for purpose of primary production, but exclude the some significant constitutes like the building materials, architecture style, land use, and fencing types. A year after his ideas were challenged for Jordan, who write the nature of settlement geography and define the settlement geography as the study of the form of cultural landscape involving in this orderly description of attempt explanation. Later on, the emphasis three aspects of cultural landscape: the settlement pattern of distribution farmstead, the field pattern of farm resulting from the division of land for productive use, and house farmstead types of including the building materials and folk architecture. As a referred up to above, the German word Sitzberg does not indicate the process of human occupants as well as arrangement of grouping. Obviously, the man thinks it is not study to settlement insensible and their spatial pattern for analyzing the sequence of change in the landscape. More explicitly, the size, form of the function of settlement and their origin are the essential of the subject matter. Their regional variation also are no less significant. Chatterjee views is that the settlement geography deal with the size, form and function of settlement built up by man, trace and their historic growth. These are the some definitions. Various significant aspects the study have also been emphasized by him. Rural houses and architecture style, relationship between the rural settlement on the other hand, road farms and the field pattern on the other hand. Type of rural settlement, their origin, rural settlement and service center, pioneer settlement, and morphological regional characteristics of rural settlement. This definition add new ideas, new vista of the rural settlements, and they clearly core and concern with the rural settlement geography in space and sequent occupants. A definition of incorporating the both them are the best possible way. The rural settlement geography is concerned with the orderly description, interpretations, and process, patterning, functioning, and spatial organization, human occupants with the rural environment over the Earth's surface. A few more definitions present further explanation of topic. Richthofen has the define a settlement manner in which man established himself the other surface in a multi-dwelling option. A settlement might be human overnight area, whether it to be the unspecialized hunter and gatherer whose family is hunted around the campfire and perhaps sleeps in the rock and under the lawn, or the longer used dwelling spot on a nomadic headson and his family and friends of permanent houses of any city and dwellers. Still, stones indicate there are really little agreement among the geographers worldwide as to what is the geography as explained at the base. Now, this is the one or the explanation, settlement, location and function. Settlement of geography means settlement geography is the study of human, land, water, resources use, population density pattern and settlement growth. Means today's discussion of the definition of settlement geography. Now student will be any doubt, any query to ask me and write a mail, and today we stop here and remaining part next lecture will be discussed for next point to be settlement geography. Okay, bye bye.